Most engineering managers think they are giving good feedback just because they are honest. They are not, and most of them don't even realize it. Today I'll show you the exact mistake and the 3 questions that fix it. The ones a campaign failure taught me the hard way. I was a marketing director at one of the world's largest multinationals when this actually happened. I ran a campaign in Greece that worked brilliantly. Took the exact same idea to Italy. It failed completely. My manager didn't open with what I did wrong. He asked one question: what do you think happened? I wasn't defending myself anymore. I was thinking. I got there myself out loud. The idea wasn't the problem. I'd ignore how different the culture actually was, even between 2 countries that look similar on a map. He never told me that. I found it. And that's the main difference. The conversation you lead yourself, you remember. The one someone else leads for you, you just survive. And here's why this matters even more with engineers specifically. Engineers are trained to debug. Give them a vague verdict. This needs to improve. And there's nothing to work with. No data, no root cause. But ask, what do you think happened? And you've just handed them a debugging problem. That's a language they already speak. You are not asking them to feel bad. You are asking them to investigate. Here's exactly what to say. Step 1, ask, what do you think happened? Not what went wrong. That's an accusation. This is a conversation. Step 2, stay quiet. Let them get there, even if it takes longer. Jump in too early, they stop thinking and start nodding. Step 3, once they name it, ask, what would you do differently next time? That's the step most managers skip. A mistake they diagnose themselves, they won't repeat. He never told me what I did wrong. He asked me what I thought happened and waited. That's the kind of leader I'm still trying to be. If this made you think, subscribe. Every week I share what nobody told you about leading engineers.